Hello, welcome to the YouTube channel Exo Empire. I'm going to teach you how to convert a video which has extension of MP4 to MP3. It means you can convert the video to the audio. You can use the app which is called Visha Player, which is most often come with telephone on Android. So if you don't have it, you can go on Play Store, you can download it, you can write Visha Player. For me, recently I have it, so I can open it, then I can show how to use it. So let's open it. Here we have videos, music, download, and more. Let's go to video to MP3. Go to select to convert. You can select this. This is the video I have. You can select it, then convert. And it is converting. Let's wait a moment in order to finish, so that you can listen my audio. So let's wait. After that, when a video is finished to be converted to MP3, you can go to a video, which is converted into the audio. So it is finished. So can encourage you to subscribe on our channel in order to follow our new videos and other lessons. Thank you.